What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, yes, we got the 500 out, but we are out at Dover's shop, and you can see the strawberry car in here, but there's been a little development on the strawberry car, and we're going to fill you in here in just a second. But first, I kind of want to show you the progress on it. Got the engine cover and the coil covers matching the paint. Man, just look at it. But as you can see, it's almost ready, and we are planning on firing it up today, right, Alex?
Yes. Planning
on firing it up today, so it'll be the first start. But Alex, what's the development in this car? What happened recently?
Sold a black car, purchased a red car. So
Alex now owns this car, so it will be staying on the channels, my channel and the Foxcast channel, and highly looking forward to it. He actually sold his car to Lee. Now Lee's the gentleman with the black convertible that we're working on, so he actually sold it to Lee. Lee came down for Ford Takeover and purchased the car and took it back with him. So the black car is gone, and now he now owns the strawberry car, which I'm very happy about because I didn't want to see this car going away. And he's got his wheels off his black car on it now, with some Toyo R888s. Man, oh, I love them tires. I need to get a set of those for the back of my car, because they do not make a drag radial in the size that come on the GT500, so I need to go with the R88s. Since I already had the drag wheels anyway, that makes sense. It's got the battery tray in. It's coming along. And look at his shirt, guys. He's got my shirt on. That is awesome. Representing, that's what I'm talking about. All right, we're gonna go and check out the other cars. All right. Dover has been working on Phillip, doing some things to Phillip, and Corey's car is a work in progress. We're still waiting on headers, but however, check this out, guys. He's got the front timing cover on. The valve cover's on, everything pretty much. That gray kind of matches his car. That's awesome. And as you can see, he's going with the Boss 302 setup. Can't wait till it's done. Cannot wait till it's done. But we're waiting on headers, and that's pretty much what we're waiting on to put the engine in the car. Now you got Lee's convertible. I don't know if I talked about it or it's on Caleb's channel. Either way, we had an issue with the Cook's headers not lining up right, and we've got that solved. Dover actually bent down all these tubes one by one and got them bent down, put the collector on, and got it all lined up. So they've actually got the fuel lines ran, got it all tucked away nice and neat. All running up there. Got a few more the hookups to do and a little more to run, but they got it running from the back to the front. Oh, I can't wait to see this car done either. All right, so that kind of catches you up on all the cars out at the shop. They did get another, looks like they got another New Age parts cars. They find it cheaper to find these cars and pull the parts they need off of them and then sell the body or whatever, than actually going and finding all the parts to do the coyote swap stuff, like the hydro boost, the AC, the power steering and stuff like that. It's a lot easier just to get the parts off of this car than it is to go out and buy them, and they save a little bit of money that way. Which has me thinking, my Fox has no power steering and no power brakes, and I found one of these cars pretty cheap, or I actually buy the stuff from Dover and I can actually put power steering, power brakes, and AC on the Fox. So, who knows? He still has the SSP car, and it's for sale, guys, if anybody's interested in it. Still got the wagon. All right, so what's left, Alex? What we need to do?
Wiring ignition.
Wiring the ignition?
Ignition switch and fire it up and ready to fire it up.
Uh-oh. Getting close, guys. What are you talking about? Caleb, what's going on, big guy?
Shut up, Ken.
I told y'all he does not like me.
I love you, Ken. I love you. I love you.
All right, what's in here? I want to see what's in here.
God.
It's like, oh.
Oh, God.
Oh, no.
Son.
Put my monster down. Oh, looky there.
Pick him up, dude.
Oh.
Like, literally, like.
Let me see. Dude, these are like mine.
Yes.
Actually, they might be a tad lighter.
They're supposed to be about as light as they come.
Dude, I think the tires, my wheels were super light. I think the tires are the heaviest thing about it.
Shit.
I think the tires are heavier. Here, you put it back in there. I don't want to.
I'm not gonna shoot over and all that.
Oh,
yeah, man.
Look at that. They finally came in. Now, how long was the wait? Now, they build these to order.
Build to order.
They're build to order, so it's not like somebody was slacking on the job. It's just build to order.
It's like, I think it was almost 3.5 weeks. How long have I had my backs on?
Oh, about a month.
Okay, it's been about a month then.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, it said.
They look so good. Man,
no center cap though.
The weather, they closed the track last night because of the weather. Of course, it rained, of course, so that only makes sense they close it, but
I was coming
can we
back
catch a break?
I know. I'm ready to go to the track. And see, I've got my oldest's graduation next Friday night.
Yeah, mine too.
Oh, well. It is what it is. All right, we got to show everybody.
All right, guys, we're going to walk out here. And as you know, if you watched the last video where I bought the Fox, if you haven't, go watch it. But if you have, you know it's got a black front bumper. The hose are cut out of it. And it's got an LSX emblem on it. But what we have here is a Calypso front bumper cover. That's got that spot right there.
That ain't bad.
Yeah.
It'll pass.
Mm-hmm. So I might stick this on it for the time being until I can do something else in the future or whatnot. All right, one thing I want to go over right here. This is the F100. Somebody made a comment in one of my videos saying we wasn't showing anything going on with the F100. I wasn't videoing it, and it's not that I don't want to video. It's that there's nothing going on with it. It's just sitting out here, and as you can see, the engine's out, but nothing is really happening with it. So it's not that I don't want to record it, because I do, because I love these trucks. I would love to own one day, but nothing is really happening with it, so therefore I can't create content with it. Chris, where's the Fox? Where's the 500?
It's resting.
It's resting.
Undisclosed projects.
Sure.
I've
got my 500 in the rain. You can't get yours?
I can never disclose what's happening.
All right, so Chris has an 11 GT500, so he's going to check out the shifter, see what he thinks. It's not electric, man.
Oh yeah, that's much better.
Much better, ain't it?
That's much better. That's firm. Yeah, no comparison.
Nope.
That's the way to go.
Yep.
Yeah, reverse is nice too. Yeah. What a difference.
I know.
That's a good
I know.
Yeah.
Definitely.
That is nice. Yeah. I need one. I need one for mine now.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah, that's a treat.
I figured you'd like that.
Yeah, you can tell. You can tell. And I thought the stock one was much better than some of the other ones, like the 13 GT. That's firm.
little dickety.
I don't know.
All right, we're getting somewhere. All right, so we got the car fired up. Obviously, it needs to get a tune in it, and that's going to be happening probably this week from Daryl. He's getting the rest of the interior put in, got the back seats in, and he's kind of wrapping things up. Going to tuck all the wiring back up and neaten that up. And it's coming together, guys. Got the first fire out of the way, so now it's just finishing everything up and getting it ready. And this car should be hitting the streets very soon, and we will update you once it gets there. But all right, guys, I'm on this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.